So this bag packs like a suitcase but carries like a backpack. It is so great for people that are freaks about organization like me, and they've really thought of everything with this bag. I mean, if you need one bag for your travel, this is it. Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm going to be showing you my all-time favorite travel backpack. And not just a backpack like as a personal item, but a backpack as a carry-on, okay? We use this bag all the time. I've had it for probably 8 years or so, and they recently came out with a new version, so Brian and I decided to treat ourselves and get new ones specifically for our big Europe trip coming up this summer. Brian was going to be in this video, and he even went as much as to film half of it, but he's so sick right now with the stomach something or other. He's just kind of useless today. Do make sure to like this video, comment if you want to leave us a comment, or of course leave us a question. Subscribe. Our motto on this channel is to travel often and pack well, and we are here to help. So if that sounds like something that you want to watch dozens of videos of, then hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I promised you guys we did just do an unboxing. This is the box right here, and these are the bags that came in it. But then Brian had to stop filming because he was literally too sick to do any type of filming, so just pretend that we unboxed it. Actually, here's a clip of us unboxing it so that I can prove to you that we just opened it up. Okay, cool. Promised you this is an unboxing video. I ordered these bags on Easter Sunday, which is obviously a holiday, and they showed up on Tuesday. This bag is called the Mother Lode Backpack. It got relaunched in 2019, and it was formerly known as the Mother Lode Weekender Bag. And I want to say they probably changed the name simply because it's not just a weekender. Like, these bags are the size of an actual carry-on piece of luggage. This is not just a personal item. So this color is garnet, and this color is heather graphite, which is just a fancy name for gray. And it does also come in black with the old bag right here. So here you go. I have the whole collection. This bag retails at $119.99, so basically $120. And they always have a coupon on the site. Also, I'm going to link these bags in the description box down below. Ebags is such a wonderful site. I've been using them for years, and this video is also going to feature packing cubes because I'm going to show you guys how I pack the packing cubes in the bag, and these are available on the site as well. First, I want to get into the front pocket. Inside is orange, which I think is really cool because how many times have you had a bag where the inside is dark and then you can't find anything? It's just kind of miserable. So it is orange, which almost is like having a flashlight in your bag or something. So good job, Ebags, for doing that because I love it. You can kind of see in here, this is a little scrunch pocket. This is a little mesh part with a zipper. And then this is a zipper that goes probably about as big as my hand into there. And then you have this whole part open, and it goes pretty deep. This bag can fit so much in this front pocket. Now, Brian's been traveling with the black version of this bag a lot. Ever since he came into my life, it's been his favorite bag, and I know that he puts everything essential in that front pocket, and then everything kind of clothes packing wise in the big portion of it. It does have an outside pocket right here that also has a ton of space, so that's for really important things. Boarding pass, passport, headphones. Up top here is another pocket for quick grab items. This is actually pretty deep as well. There is also a water bottle holder, which I need to find right here. This is a really good upgrade. So it actually just opens and zips, and you can put a water bottle right in there. Now, the other features of the outside of this bag that I do like, they have these little buckles here to kind of compress it down once it's packed. more. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there is a top handle and a side handle, and the backpack straps actually go into here so that it can be packed away. So this is how big it is, or really how small it is with nothing in it. Now let's go ahead and open the inside. My ultimate favorite feature of this bag is the fact that it opens up like a suitcase. So it opens up like this. It is not a top loader backpack, and that is why it is so amazing. Are you ready? Boom! Actually expanded up. You can see how much room is in here. Let me get out my little handy dandy tape measure and show you guys just how deep it is, because you know I do that on my suitcase reviews and that it's very important. So the inside of this bag, when fully up and not expanded, it is still 13 across on the inside, and the actual depth of it is about 20 to 21. Now inside they do have this little divider right here. If you're not a packing cubes person, you can still do something here and something here. Of course, it does have the buckles to compress it down. This is removable. You can just unclip it and wear it, you know, totally like that. I do recommend using the compression straps because it really helps. And over here, they have a mesh compartment, which does not look like a lot, but this can hold so much. It can really hold so much. It's absolutely crazy. I have utilized every single inch of this bag before, and just because it has a lot of space doesn't mean you need to use a lot of space. Ebags has these amazing packing cubes that I love. They are made of nylon and they have a mesh as well. They come in nice bright colors. This is the aquamarine color. I have the set where it is large, medium, and small. There are other sets. You can buy ones by itself. You can buy 4-packs, 5-packs, 6-packs, everything. So this is the medium packing cube, and this is what I always have all of my clothes in, is one medium size. And the cool thing about this bag is that because they're made by the same company, that medium packing cube fits right on the bottom. This is the large, and that can fit in the entire bag with still more room to pack on top of it, let alone the mesh. Now this small little mesh one, you can definitely fit on top to still be able to close, or you can even put your small one in here if you really wanted to. I could probably put the medium packing cube and the small packing cube in that. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it because you have so much space in here, but I am trying to showcase to you just how much this can fit. So let's go ahead and compress it down. Show you guys what it looks like not expanded. I'm gonna buckle these straps and see how you can kind of compress it down to make it even skinnier. So with that fully packed and compressed, I would say the highest that this bag really is right now is 8 inches, which really helps it be more of a personal item size as opposed to a carry-on size. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on my back. Again, this is not expanded, and this is compressed down with the buckles on the side. I could totally get away with this as a personal item as opposed to a carry-on. Okay, let's throw in some more stuff. So we're gonna throw in all these rugs that I just bought in the Belkins because, true story, I packed a suitcase, bought 3 rugs, and then said, how am I gonna get these home? But I'm an expert, so I did it. So let's put in this rug and this rug. It does honestly still kind of fit exactly how it should. And there it is with the 3 rugs. You can still buckle it down if you want to. Totally compress it down. So still, I added another layer, still compressed it down. It is now like 7 inches. Let's add even more. Let's get a little crazy. Let's take this huge random bag that is this thick. Pretend you went shopping at the airport. Let's put that there. Let's expand it this time. Now, it is expanded to the max. Now let's compress it down. I feel like I could still fit more in this bag. I'm not going to because that's enough for this video, but still it's compressed down to maybe still the same size, 7 inches or so. Not compressed, you guys will see. This is the size of it now. I don't really see that big of a difference from this new version, from this old version. I know that they made it more lightweight and used a different material. The only thing I do notice the difference of is the water bottle portion, which used to be right here. And you would just pull it out, and it was more of kind of a nylon, simple little situation here that just kind of hung down. So I really do like the new water bottle part, which is here. That definitely seems a lot better. So other than that, I don't really see much of a difference. All of the classic amazing features of this bag are on that bag. Oh, and there's a little handle right here too. See? I didn't even notice that. I'm learning new things every day. Do not let the fact that this is a backpack steer you away from bringing it as a carry-on. This bag holds so much stuff. Okay, I brought this bag with me to Antarctica with all of my winter gear and photography gear, 2 completely different seasons packed into this bag, and it was perfectly fine. Brian and I are going to bring these on our Euro trip this summer, where we are going for 2 weeks, and we will feature this backpack the entire time. Like I said, if you are interested in getting this, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Do check out their coupons. They always have them. Do not pay full price. And while you are on that site getting this backpack, do consider getting their packing cube. We want to do this bag versus a roller bag. We want to do this bag versus a duffel bag. And we want to utilize the packing cubes and show a lot more of those in our videos as well. If you guys have any questions, please let us know down below, and we are happy to answer them. I hope you guys consider this bag. It really is one of the best bags on the market. I really do believe that. I love my roller bag, but I've definitely been known to use this backpack, and Brian and I have actually fought over it when we only had the black one. So now that we have 3 of them, Brian and Nolan and I could all use these backpacks if we want to. So please make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you can always learn how to pack light and learn other travel hacks as well. All right, we will see you guys soon in another video. Thanks so much for watching.